In this video, we'll be showing you how to add e-tickets and vouchers for sale. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. For an event, browse to Admin, Events, and then select Tickets and Products from your event management menu for the appropriate event. Alternatively, browse to Admin, Product Groups, and select Products from the Manage menu for the appropriate product group, and then select Add Product if it is a product group. We'll go back to Events for this example. From the Product Manage menu, select Add Product, and in the product form, enter a name, a SKU if you would like to, or one will be allocated for you, and then select the type. For this example, we're going to use electronic ticket. Add the product price and stock quantity, and we're going to ask for name and class for booking, but then I'm going to hide class as I just need the name. Then click on the Add Product button. We're going to repeat this again for a voucher. This time I'm going to add a cheeseburger. Let the SKU be allocated for me, and this type is a voucher. Again, add a price and a stock quantity. Request the name, but I don't need the class. And click the Add Product button. Here you can see our different types. We have a voucher and electronic ticket. And once these are purchased, e-tickets and vouchers are sent out to customers in their order confirmation email, or they can be downloaded from My Account and then Orders. The voucher can then be exchanged for a physical item at the event, and the QR code on the e-ticket can be used for scanning on entry should you wish. And that's it, you can now successfully add e-tickets and vouchers for sale. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.